I'm Paul Cook. I live at the Anchorage, Maria Heads. We decided to build the house out of straw bale. It's a waste product. There's lots of it just burnt because it's not used. So it's reasonably easy to get a hold of, and when you buy it by the truckload, it's reasonably cheap. But they're very good insulators, and that's the big benefit of them. It's so densely packed and well rendered that pests can't get into it and fire can't burn it, and it also provides a lot of thermal mass inside the house, so the house stays at sort of the average daily temperature quite easily. The straw bale needs to breathe. It's quite a thick wall, and it's an organic material, so you don't want it to stay wet. So the renders of straw bale, it's important you use a breathable material, so clay or lime-based stuff. It also helps maintain a level of humidity in the house that's quite comfortable as well, and rather than just temperature. So north facing, we got a lot of glazing on the north side here, and it's quite close to the beach and gets a nice northeasterly breeze in summer. No air conditioning, anything like that. In winter, there's so much thermal mass that the average temperature is probably a little cool to be comfortable all the time. So we have a bit of heating through fireplace, and heats up and stays hot for a couple of days from the fire. It's got a masonry heater. This transfers all that heat into a masonry brickwork box basically, and so you're not losing that heat as it goes up the floor and stuff. It's warming up the bricks, and it's also helps cool the place because it's a big masonry feature that stays shaded in summer. So the eaves are big enough that they shade the place in summer, and they allow the winter sun in under the eave to heat up the masonry heater. It's a post and beam construction. Posts come from the site we cleared here, so the trees were all used to make the posts and the beams to hold up the roof, and then the straw bale's infill between the posts. This one's a bit more organic and windy and not quite so dimensionally the same as every other building, so I like it that way.